What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Good Wednesday morning to you guys, wherever you are in the world. If you're finding this video, guys, if you're finding me for the very first time, uh, pay attention, guys. Watch this video. Got some explosive information I want to share with you guys. Make sure if you find this information of any value to you guys, go on and like and or share this video with somebody you like and or you care about, or people in your particular circles of influence. Guys, in today's video, I want to talk about a new series that I'm going to put together. Right, I'm gonna start a series, guys. I don't know. It's probably going to be about 3 parts, right? And the series is going to be how to make money on the internet working from home on your computer slash theory. Okay, I will say that again, guys. How to make money on the internet working from home, right? Or working from your computer slash theory. And here's the reason why I call it that, guys, because you guys always hear me. I'm talking most of the time about, the automated sales systems that I use and how I like and why I prefer automated marketing and sales systems. And I love them. I like them because they do 90% of the work for you, right? Now, 90% of the work for you. What that means, guys, there's still something that you have to do, right? So that other 10% is what my new series, How to Make Money on the Internet, Working from Home on Your Computer slash Theory, we're going to dive a little bit deeper, guys, because here's the thing, and this is what I'm finding out, guys. I think what a lot of people get discouraged, right, when they come online and they start looking for ways to make money from home, because a lot of people think that it's a snap your finger and I'm going to just really jump in. I'm just going to start making tons and tons of money at the snap of a finger. Even with an automated marketing sales system, guys, it's not that simple, right? It's never going to be that simple. The only place you're ever going to find success before work, guys, is in the dictionary, okay? That's the only place. So just like if you got a 9 to 5 or whatever, and you got to work for somebody every single way and there's work to be done, when you sit down and you really get serious and you want to get out here and start making money on the internet, or you want to start your own business, guys, there's going to be work involved, right? And so my new little short series, How to Make Money on the Internet Working from Home on Your Computer slash Theory, I'm putting the emphasis on the theory part, guys, because, well, you'll see when the series starts. I already shot the first video, guys. I'm going to be outside today. I'm going to actually shoot the second video, but I'll actually have that series up probably the first installment I'll have up tomorrow, guys. And I want you guys to watch it. I want you guys to understand it. I'm going to be using some great analogies. And the reason why, sometimes an illustration and analogies they make it easier for you to understand how a particular particular concepts, okay? But just know that, I'm finding like a lot of people, they come online and really the industry has done that to itself, guys. And you guys, you hear me, right? And you can hear the enthusiasm in my voice. You can hear the passion cursing from my veins, because I absolutely love what it is I do. I like to tell you guys, don't ever mistake my enthusiasm for hype. It may come across as that sometimes, but it's because I truly love what it is I do. And for you guys who are serious, I will tell you that you're going to have to find something that you're passionate about, because if you don't love what it is you do, guys, other people are going to be able to sense that, okay? Other people are going to be able to sense whether you're just trying to be a pitch man or you're just somebody trying to move a product and a service, get another sale, get another sign up. People are going to understand that. When I first started out, guys, this is exactly how I started out. I've always had the very same demeanor that I have now, because that's who I am, guys. I've had some very high-powered jobs in my lifetime, guys. I love life and I love people. I'm a people person. I just love people. And I'm also very energetic by nature, right? I drink a lot of coffee and a lot of Mountain Dew, and my wife hides my Mountain Dews from me because she's like, you don't need any more caffeine. And it's true, guys. I probably need to cut down on the coffee and the caffeine, but that's who I am by nature. So anyway, I'm going to keep the video short and sweet because I want you guys to keep your eyes peeled for my new series, how to make money on the internet, working from home on your computer slash theory, guys, where we're going to be talking about how you guys can really, and do anytime doing that series, guys, how you guys can really, get in here, guys, and get some training that's going to enable you to get around the hype, right? And really get out here. You guys hear me always talking about laying that foundation, developing a skill set, if you will. Well, that's what I'm going to be talking about, because at the end of the day, guys, just like a 9 to 5, right? When you start your own business, it's about work, right? And again, the only place you're going to find successful for work is in the dictionary. For people who are serious, right? You ain't looking not just for something, I'm going to get this, I'm going to go ahead and make this money. No. I'm really, guys, I told you I was moving in a different direction now. And I know that this is going to disqualify a lot of people, because a lot of you guys don't want to put in the work. It's true. Now, you do the self-examination. You ask yourself that question, because it doesn't matter whether you join me or not, guys. Okay, let's make sure you understand that, guys. It doesn't matter whether you join me or not. I don't care if you go find our biggest internet marketer earner online, guys. Guess what? If he's doing his job right, he got something for you guys, and it's gonna include some work. You have to do some work, okay? If you don't want to put in the work, guys, maybe if you need to make some extra money, you just need to get a part-time job, right? Or maybe you just need to work some extra hours at the job you have. But I'm telling you, if you are ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things you never knew, then you're going to want to be tuned in to this particular series that I'm getting ready to do, guys, okay? And then from that point, guys, all I'm going to be talking about is training, okay? Because I don't care what it is you do, guys. If you wanted to be a doctor, you got to go to medical school. You got to train. You got to learn how to do it. If you want to be a teacher, you got to go to school, guys. You got to get some training. You got to learn how to do it, right? In fact, that's theory, because until you get out of college or university, or until you get out there, guys, and get some real hands-on in the trenches experience, that's when that theory starts to transition into reality, okay? That's how you bring that, what you want, into fruition, by immersing yourself in internet marketing training. The training doesn't have to be a lot of training, but it's going to be a reflection on you and how serious you are about, about yourself. Because when you get out here and you start looking for ways to make money on the internet, working from home on your computer, you're going to want to deliver quality, right, to your potential clients, guys, okay? You're going to want to deliver quality, because if you can deliver quality, guys, you can build followings that can last you for a lifetime. And there I go, rambling. So let me get off, guys, and I'm going to tell you guys probably tomorrow morning, look for the very first installment of how to make money on the internet working from home on your computer slash theory video 1, guys, because it's coming to you, okay? Anyway, got miles to go before I sleep, thousands of videos to shoot. As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the first installment tomorrow. Peace.